Welcome to English Made Easy, the podcast where we have real conversations in real English about real life. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. Whether you're on the bus, making a cup of tea, or squeezing in 5 minutes of peace, we're so glad you're here.
Today's episode tackles something almost every English learner has asked us at some point.
You watch English films, you listen to English podcasts, you read English articles. You understand most of it, right?
But then someone asks you a question in English and suddenly,
your brain just stops. It goes completely blank, like someone pulled the plug. Sound familiar?
Today we're talking about exactly that. Why you can understand English but struggle to speak it, and 7 things you can do about it. Let's go.
So, John, story time. I was on holiday in Spain, 2 years of Spanish under my belt.
Oh no, I feel like I know where this is going.
I'm at a cafe, the waiter says something in Spanish, and I completely froze. I knew the words. Nothing came out, just a panicked smile.
The famous I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'll pretend I do smile. I know it well.
I ended up pointing at the menu and saying, "Uno, por favor," like a complete tourist.
I love that. But honestly, this is so common, and it's not because you're bad at languages. There's a very specific reason for it.
So explain it, John, the science bit.
When you listen or read, your brain is doing passive processing, receiving information, absorbing it. Your brain gets really good at that.
Passive skills, listening and reading. Your brain is relaxed in receive mode.
But speaking is fully active. Your brain retrieves words, builds grammar, controls your mouth, and responds to someone else all at the same time.
Your brain hasn't practiced that process yet. The words are there, they're just not connected to the speaking part.
Think of it this way. You might watch Formula 1 every week. You know all the rules, but that doesn't mean you can suddenly get in a car and race.
Classic John analogy.
Watching and doing are different. Your brain needs practice doing, not just watching. And this is totally fixable.
My husband always says I need more practice explaining myself. I told him it's a language issue. He said, "Sarah, English is your first language."
Right. Okay, we've got 7 tips, and I think number 6 is the most fun.
And number 3 is the one nobody talks about, but is absolutely brilliant. Let's get into them. Tip 1, shadowing. You listen to a speaker and repeat what they say at the exact same time, matching their speed and rhythm.
At the same time, not after. It's like karaoke, but for English.
It forces your mouth and brain to work together. Try it with us right now. Just repeat along as we speak.
Tip 2. Create your personal English mode. Start thinking in English daily. When you wake up, narrate in English. I'm tired, need coffee. What's the plan?
You don't need to speak out loud, it's all in your head, building the habit of thinking in English, what fluent speakers do automatically.
I narrate my commute to myself. The train is late again, no surprise. It feels odd at first, but it genuinely rewires your brain.
Tip 3, my favorite. Learn chunks, not single words. Most people learn words one at a time and then can't use them in a real sentence. When you know chunks, your brain doesn't build from scratch every time. It just grabs one and drops it in. Much faster, much more natural.
Tip 4. Speak every single day. Even 3 to 5 minutes. Consistency beats a 3-hour grammar session once a week.
Your brain builds connections through repetition. Every time you speak, even a little, you reinforce those pathways. Talk to yourself, your mirror, your plants.
They won't judge you. And my houseplants have heard some excellent English conversations over the years.
Tip 5. Record your voice. Nobody likes hearing themselves back, but it's one of the most powerful tools you have. 1 minute a day. Read a paragraph out loud, record it, listen back, notice one thing to improve. Practice them in advance, out loud, alone if you need to, or with a partner. Let's do a quick demo. John, be the doctor.
Right. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a headache and I think I've been studying too much English.
Very common. I prescribe 3 cups of tea and 1 episode of English Made Easy. Should clear right up.
Even a silly role play like that helps your brain practice the patterns. Do it before real situations and you'll feel so much more confident. So many learners wait until they're sure they won't make a mistake, and they wait and never start speaking.
Perfection is the enemy of progress. Every mistake is information. It tells you what to work on next.
You don't need perfect English. You need English that communicates, connects, gets your point across. That's it. Before we go, vocabulary spotlight. 3 words from today's episode that are brilliant for everyday English.
Word 1. Passive. Not actively doing something. Receiving. Absorbing. By listening is passive. I absorb English without really trying.
Word 2. Fluency. The ability to speak smoothly and naturally. Fluency comes with practice, not perfection.
Word 3. Shadowing. Copying someone's speech at the same time as they speak. Shadowing podcasts helped her accent and rhythm enormously.
Write those down, save this episode, and use those words this week. And that's a wrap on English Made Easy. Thank you so much for listening.
Understanding English is step 1. You've nailed it. Speaking is step 2. Start today. 3 minutes, 1 sentence.
If you enjoyed this, share it with a friend learning English, and leave us a review. It honestly makes our day.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep it simple.
See you next time on
English Made Easy.